Alright, I got a set of FXCNC coilovers here, shocks for the Honda Monkey. I think they were also listed as PROCNC or something like that. See what they look like here. Looks like it's got compression and rebound adjustment. Looks just like Dolan's. So we'll see how that works here. Let's try. And it looks like it comes with some extra sleeve here. And the preload adjustment tool. Allen key to lock. Alright, I was turning the compression adjustment here, and it looks like there's no stop, it just goes on forever. So I was turning both ways, it just goes forever. And I took it apart, so looks like there's no compression adjustment, it's just a decorative knob, doesn't really do anything. There's two ball bearing detent and screw, and that's it. So there's no compression adjustment, but there is rebound adjustment. It does work. This is on full soft right now, and you can see how fast the spring returns. And I put on full stiff here. And then you can see it doesn't return very fast. So that's rebound adjustment. And that seems to work. So we'll put it on and see how it works. I mean, for $150 shipped, it's worth a try. Should be better than stock anyway. And the other concern I have is if the gas tank mount here is gonna be in the way or not. I think it might clear, but we'll have to mount it and see. Alright, looks like we'll definitely need to use these sleeve right here for the top and the bottom. So alright, and we'll see if this gas tank bracket is going to fit or not. I think it's going to fit. It's a little bit rubbing here, but I think even if I bolt it up, it's probably still going to touch the canister down here. Maybe maybe I'll wrap a rubber hose on this bar right here and let it rest on that. This can is probably fake anyway. I don't think it does anything. I've seen other videos where they cut this off and actually there's nothing that goes, there's no tubes or anything that goes through the can there, so it probably just a fake can anyway. So the fuel carrier bracket was hitting or touched resting on it when I mounted it, and but it bent pretty easy, so I just kind of pulled it out, gave it about a 1/4 inch gap, but it's probably gonna fall back down after a while. So I am gonna put a rubber hose around that. Might wrap some electrical tape around that too, then make it look a bit nicer. But that should be it for now. I'm gonna go out and for a test ride here and play around with the rebound setting to see if it makes any difference. All right, just got back from a quick ride. The spring is definitely stiffer than the stock one. Definitely less droop on it when I sit on it, and I had it on the softest rebound, and it felt really good. I went through some construction zone where there's a lot of bumps on the roads and stuff like that, and it felt really good. And then I turned it on the stiffest setting and did the same road, and it was definitely tell it was a lot stiffer, a lot of bouncing. So yeah, I think they're definitely worth $150. Much better than stock. The stock was very squishy. The rebound is very uncontrolled. You know, when I hit like a nice bumper, and it would throw me up. So the only thing is, I don't know if these will be too stiff for off-roading, but on road wise, even I was trying to hit every manhole, every pothole that I could find, and they felt really good. The bike definitely feel a lot more responsive, more flickable. Yeah, so it feels like more like a big bike now, not like a little toy bike that's a little squishy around corners and stuff like that. No, it's a lot more responsive. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, but I'm probably gonna do Olin's in the future if I can find a good deal on them. But these for $150, I think they're worth the upgrade over stock. Also, I'm around 180 with all the gears when I ride, so for a 180 pound rider, good upgrade. I'm not sure if you're a lighter rider, maybe the stock one's fine for you.